What's up, everybody? Your boy McB from the 313 coming at you with another one. Today we're doing an unboxing on something I've been waiting a while for, and that's the air compressor from Tesla. They've been out of stock for so long, I finally got my hands on it. You got back in stock. Here it is. Here's the box. This time I got my knife. Make it much easier and faster. So this is so perfect, especially if you have the tent. I'm going to use it for my tent, and I'm going to use it for air pressure when I take my side-by-side to the sand dunes or something to lower it and to put more air in it. And those lines are so long, so with this thing, oh, we're golden. Of course, you get the beautiful Tesla box package. All right, here it is. Man, it's heavy. Got the Cybertruck logo on it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. All right. Oops. There we go. Telling you. We're in business now. All right, so this has to be the fix-a-flat stuff. If you're, that foam garbage that I really don't like. But you got to use it, you got to use it. But now they're selling them separate, so this by itself is $60 because you can only use this once. Once you use it, it's no good. So you got to rebuy it again for $60. It's got the Cybertruck logo on it. Here's the hose. You hook it up to your Velstem. It shows you what to do. Bada boom, bada bing. Hopefully I don't have to use it. He's in a little bag. Look at that. Cute little bag. All right. Put it back where it goes. Yeah, boy. What am I doing? Garbage. Man, they package this stuff so good. Foam. Then you got the air compressor unit right here. Cybertron's happy now. Oh man, this is nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag it comes with. Let's just put these right here for now. We'll pick them up later. We're not gonna litter. Let's take this tote, one of my totes out, so we're gonna put this inside here for storage because it fits perfectly. And check this out, guys. Perfect right here. It fits right in there on the top right here. The same shape. It's a table. I forgot to do a thing on this. I forgot all about this actually, to be honest with you. But it's a fold-up table. Look, it's got legs on. Man, this thing is it's on there. Well, whatever. I don't got time for that. But listen, here, they clip on here, you open it up, it folds out, and it's a table. Bada boom, bada bing, barbecue with the cyber tent. You know what? Let me open it. Anyways, with the cyber tent and stuff, it's perfect. Okay. So, right there for now. The Tesla detailing kit. Never used it yet. $120. We'll leave the connector right there. But listen, guys, this is the compressor right here. Look how beautiful that bag is. It's beautiful, nice leather. Ah, smells like a brand new Tesla. Got its handle right here with the Cybertruck logo. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Let's open her up, huh? Man, it's a big unit here. Alright, so it comes with a nice long cord that you plug right into your outlets right here. It's perfect access. Okay, so inside the bag, the unit goes right in here. Got this little protection thingy. I'll probably keep it right there. Then the cord, and then it's got a little more room for whatever you want to put under it. Yeah, you can fit some stuff in there. All right. Now the unit. It's so nice, guys. No wonder why it costs so much money. No wonder why you cost so much. This is beautiful. Okay, first let's see. This is where the power cord plugs into. Right there. Shape of the Cybertron. And look at that. The hose just unfolds. You wrap it around. You wrap it back up. But look, guys, it's digital. Look at this beautiful unit. Cybertruck logo. It's digital. It's beautiful. Beautiful. You know what? Why not? Let's do it. Let's do it. You know what? Let's do it. Let's see how it goes, you know? Let's see how this bad boy works. And look at this. It's got a little Velcro thing, so you can wrap it right back up nice and easy. Easy peasy. Put it back in storage. I spoke too soon. You know, when you have hardworking hands, got no fingernails, it's hard to sometimes, you know, get things going. All right, we got it. There we go. Okay. You want to make a double? Okay, then let's take this. We don't need this part. All right, guys. We're going to plug this bad boy in and show you how it looks digital. Digital, baby. Where'd it go? There you go. Ah, look at that. Nice and easy peasy. You know what? Let's put this guy back. We don't need to unwrap it. Actually, we don't need to unwrap it, guys. We're going to be doing more. Yeah, boy. Boy, B. All right. So, what are you gonna do? Oh man, yeah, I gotta put the power on and all that right now. All right. So, anyways, there you have it, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful beast. Look at this beautiful beast. You know what? Maybe we can do it. Why not, huh? Maybe we can. Oh man, I dropped my glove. I need that bad boy. So I'm gonna have to put some power on. Power outlets. Come on, baby. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. You hear that? It's on. So this is gonna make it much easier for the Cybertruck because my Cybertruck, it comes with a handheld, but I don't gotta worry about that no more. Ta-da! what's going on there? Okay. The switch, is there anything I gotta do? Oh, they're push buttons and stuff. Oh, this is technical here. What happened, bro? Oh, I shut the door and the electric went off. Man, horrible. Anywho's, whatever. You guys get the point, all right? It's a damn compressor. It fills up your air pressure. It has a gauge on it. You can set it to how many pounds PSI you want to put. So you can set it to 50, 30. Everything is a touch button. So that's cool. So everything is like touch, you know, so that's a good thing. Digital, but you know, you get the point, guys. You just wrap it back up real easy. Smash it back in here, just like so. Then you got this piece. Put this back. Bada boom, bada bing. Look at it. Hold on. Did I do it right? I don't think I did it right. Did I do it right? No, I didn't. I think I did. Yeah. No, I didn't. All right. Boom. 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 Easy peasy. Zip it. Get you that dip. Bada boom, bada bing. Check this out, guys. All right. You see that compartment right there? You got all kinds of room. Okay, I got the dividers because I got my foundation series. I got the mobile charger there. We got this bad boy. Must leave them right there. We got some D-rings right there. This guy we'll put right here. Oh yeah. Or maybe this way. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Oh, wrong way. Whoops. All right. So there's my dividers. I got my compressor right here. I got my mobile charger and my detailing kit right there in that slot. And right here, I got a pack of my D-rings that comes along with these. My foundation series already has these, but when I got the Cybertruck, it comes with these, so that's just extra. And then the fix-a-flat stuff, we can just put it right in that spot right there. Just like so. Bada boom, bada bing. And then you got my beautiful table right here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a must-have, all right? Teststudios.com. Teststudios.com is where I got that table from. Use AimerB313 and get your discount. It's worth it. Look at this. It's a beauty. And it seals it all off. Look at that. Boom. And then you close your lid. You got the double whammies. Look at that, guys. Bada boom, bada bing. There you have it. There you have it. The Tesla air compressor. Worth it. You should buy it. I think they're still in stock, guys. So get on it. All right? AimerB from the 313 checking out. Until next time. Peace.